One Registration. That's the National Student Registration System. It's the Ministry of Education's way of providing greater accountability for the nation's children. Each child once registered at a school will be assigned a unique number, which will enable the ministry to track the child's progress and development throughout primary and secondary level education. No more registering at every level for all the Ministry of Education's examinations. One Registration. The National Student Registration System. Register your child now. Help us to help you. Contact the Ministry of Education for details. The Ministry of Education. Every child can learn. Every child must learn.
Make reading fun for your child. Every child can learn.